Looking for the best places to eat in Northern California? Well, sit tight as we take you on a savory journey through the top 15 food spots in this region, offering a diverse range of cuisines that will tantalize your taste buds. At number 15, we have Zuni Café in San Francisco. This spot is renowned for its Mediterranean cuisine, with the roast chicken and bread salad being a crowd favorite. Next up at 14, the French Laundry in Yountville. This 3-star Michelin restaurant provides an exquisite dining experience, serving modern French cuisine with a twist. At 13, we find Manresa in Los Gatos. Manresa offers a farm-to-table dining experience with many ingredients sourced from the restaurant's own farm, Love Apple Farms. Number 12 takes us to Chez Panisse in Berkeley. This eatery is famous for pioneering California cuisine, with a focus on organic, locally sourced ingredients. 11th on our list, Hog Island Oyster Company in Marshall provides an unbeatable seafood experience. Their fresh oysters are a must-try for seafood lovers. Moving into the top 10, we have Bouchon Bakery in Yountville. This bakery is known for its delectable pastries, especially their macarons and croissants. Coming in at 9, Slanted Door in San Francisco serves modern Vietnamese fare with a view of the Bay Bridge. At 8, The Kitchen in Sacramento offers a unique interactive dining experience, with chefs preparing the food right in front of you. Number 7 is Café Beaujolais in Mendocino. This charming spot serves rustic French cuisine in a quaint setting. 6th on our list is Mina in San Francisco. This restaurant offers a fusion of Japanese and American cuisines, featuring a variety of unique dishes. Breaking into the top 5, we have Danko in San Francisco. This restaurant offers a blend of French and Californian cuisines served in an elegant setting. At number 4, Tartine Bakery in San Francisco is a must-visit for bread and pastry lovers. Their morning bun is a popular choice among patrons. 3rd on our list, the restaurant at Meadowood in St. Helena offers a seasonal menu that changes daily, providing an exciting culinary experience. At number 2, Sushi Ran in Sausalito is considered one of the best sushi places in Northern California. Their fresh, high-quality sushi is worth every bite. And finally, at number 1, we have SingleThread in Healdsburg. This restaurant farm-in combo provides a unique dining experience with a multi-course tasting menu. From rustic French to modern Vietnamese, from farm-to-table experiences to fresh seafood delights, Northern California's food scene offers a diverse and quality culinary adventure. Each restaurant on this list has its unique charm and delicious dishes, making Northern California a true food lover's paradise.